Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will give you instructions to get rid of the new ransomware that is called MS, and it is the part of the Dharma ransomware family. Currently, this ransomware attacks Windows computers, and after the attack of it is successful, it starts encrypting the data that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. However, due to certain vulnerabilities in the system, the ransomware may some way or another become the part of the computer. And then pretty soon you will notice that some of the files have already been encrypted, and this special MS extension was given. First thing you can do is to research the task manager of your computer and any suspicious tasks that could be running in the background. Typically, these are the tasks with or processes with very long random names. So if you find them, end their tasks immediately to stop the further file encryption. Now, second thing you can do and you should do is to immediately scan your computer with the reliable anti-ransomware to remove this ransomware. Of course, the ransomware tells you to pay the ransom to get the files restored. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you will get your files back. So you only need to remove this ransomware as soon as you can. Go to the C drive or other system drive, choose Program Files, select Internet Explorer as possibly the only available browser, and start it. After that, download Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus will detect this ransomware called MS and remove it effectively and protect your data from being encrypted in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.